Hi, so my name is Ryan Sisk, and I'm going to be talking with you today about Energy Tile and how we are reinventing renewable energy. So, something we noticed when talking with consumers is that there were a significant amount of consumers that wanted to support sustainable energy methods but didn't have the means to do so. So, it's been talking with one of our research consumers, Daniel. He said that the prices of sustainable energy sources are outrageously high compared to other alternatives, which is a common thread that we've noticed among consumers. So the goal of Energy Tile is to try to find a solution for this problem, which specifically relating to myself is an area of personal interest since I'm studying sustainable power systems in electrical engineering here at Arizona State University. So why Energy Tile matters is because we are working to find efficient, sustainable energy resources, and it's becoming increasingly important as our global climate condition worsens. As we continue to leave a bigger and bigger carbon footprint, there will continue to be a greater and greater need to find innovative, sustainable energy solutions that are efficient and can work on a mass scale. And most people can't afford the increased cost of sustainable energy currently over traditional sources, as things like solar panels are a common one that are way more expensive typically than a traditional energy source. And as I said, there's a lack of creative and affordable ways for people to use sustainable energy. So many people who would otherwise be willing to support sustainable energy sources and sustainability in general just can't because they don't have the means to do so. So our target consumer is a person who supports sustainability and wants to contribute, but unfortunately does not have the means to afford sustainable energy. So here's our design for our energy tiles. They work off the piezoelectric effect. There are several small piezoelectric discs within each tile that convert kinetic energy to electricity. And our goal was to make a more miniaturized home version of the tile so that the resources and materials that we use to make the tiles are simpler and don't have to withstand, weather conditions or environmental conditions like it would if we were implementing tiles outside. So the way it works is Pearson just steps on a tile and the piezoelectric discs will generate energy for them, just like any other method of generating energy. So the impact of our solution is pretty big. We are looking to reduce the carbon footprint of traditional energy sources while providing a sustainable alternative, which is important to the global climate, as well as decreasing energy costs for families in need. And like we said, it will have a positive environmental impact while decreasing energy costs of families. So here's what the competitive landscape looks like. The other main two companies out there that are in a similar area of research are PaveGen and Constructus. Both of them also use piezoelectric effect to generate energy with tiles. Both Energy Tile and PaveGen use tracking technology to be able to determine the individual user's energy output. So in your home or wherever the tiles are, your place of residence, you can use your phone via our app to track how much energy you're producing. And PaveGen does a similar solution. We are the only company, however, that uses cost-effective materials to produce our piezoelectric tiles, mainly because PaveGen and Constructus are built for primarily outdoor use. Constructus in particular deals with implementing them in road scenarios, so they have to be able to withstand heavy-duty trucks and things like that. PaveGen as well is made for sidewalks, so it has to be much more durable to withstand the environmental load that's put on it. So how can you utilize it? It's pretty simple. You just purchase our product, download the app, then install the tiles in your home or place of residence. Then all you have to do is walk on tiles and it produces energy just like whatever energy source you have now, except it's using the piezoelectric effect. Then after you start, you've installed the tiles and have walked on them and have downloaded the app, you can connect with the app and track your daily, weekly, monthly energy output per even each person and per the home as a unit, so that you will have a reliable method of knowing how much energy you'll be able to provide and generate. And here's our team. My name is Ryan Sisk. Like I said, I'm a student at ASU studying electrical engineering, specifically sustainable power systems. And the other member of our team is Gabrielle Gasca. And Gabe is our project mentor and consultant. He is super passionate about startup ecosystems and has helped launch companies in branding and video production, wireless communications, co-working, and emerging tech. And he's super useful just to help us familiarize ourselves with the startup industry and help us get resources and things like that. So that's our team, and thank you for listening to our pitch. This has been Energy Tile. So thank you so much.